Hi everyone, and thank you once again for joining me. Today I have with me a product from ASUS. This is a router, and this is the ROG Rapture GT-BE98. This is a Wi-Fi 7 based router, so it's pretty brand new and hence more on the expensive side. And this is also geared more for the gamers. ROG is for the Republic of Gamers. Okay, so I'm not bothered about the gaming part of it, but I'm really interested in the networking part of it, because this comes with very high speed network ports, okay, LAN ports. So it's gonna really enhance your local network, and that and on top of that, if you already have an existing very high speed internet connection, then definitely all your devices can utilize the high speed internet connection to the max. Okay, so currently I'm using the Netgear Nighthawk X10. It's a fantastic router, phenomenal router, and I've been using it for like 4 or 5 years now. Okay, but the only issue is it's limited to 802.11ac protocol, so it's not even Wi-Fi 6. So this is a pretty big box. Okay, the router itself weighs around 2 kilograms. It comes with 3 years ASUS warranty, so make sure that you create an ASUS account and register your product with ASUS to avail the warranty. Okay, this is the side. It's got this reflecting color. Yeah. This is the rear. I'm not sure if you can see all this, but so this is a 240 volt adapter, 2 kg. Okay, and this is pretty huge. It is like 35 centimeters by 35 centimeters by 22 centimeters length, width, height. Okay, and it contains all these encryptions, 8 non-detachable antennas. It comes with 1 gigabit LAN port, 1 USB 3.0 port, 1 USB 2.0 port, 3 2.5 gigabit LAN ports, 1 gigabit LAN port, 1 2.5 gigabit LAN or WAN port, and 1 10 gigabit WAN or LAN port. So basically, if you can utilize this as a LAN port or a WAN port depending upon your your internet speed. If you have internet speeds that are just limited to 1 gigabit, then might as well use this 2.5 gigabit, because that's the only option available. Okay, right? If you have speeds more than 2.5 gigabits, your internet speed, then you need to switch over to the 10 gigabits to utilize the maximum speed. Okay, so this is the rear. Okay, so you can see the diagram here. So let me just go ahead and remove the outer plastic casing. Okay, so this is, I think this kind of reflects, right? Okay, anyway, this one I need to, okay, do I take it off? This is like a slip-on case. Okay. So they've marked some directions here. Right? I'm not sure about that. So I will go ahead and open it this way, okay, and this way, and lo and behold, the router. Okay. 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 Just take it off gently. This red, I think this is a heat sink. It's pretty huge heat sink, you know. Right? And these are the LED. This is also, you can also customize the RGB. So these are all those LED buttons, lights. Sorry. Pretty huge. Okay. Let me just keep this aside here. And here are all the accessories. Essentially the power adapter. Then you've got yourself, okay, this is the connector. For the power adapter. Okay. What else do we have? We have, I believe this is a Cat6 cable. So it should be a 10 gig cable. Okay, we have an RJ45 cable. Then we have, okay, another power. Okay, so you have two options. One, you can either use this kind, European one. You can use this kind, or you can use this kind. Now, what else do we have? We have the safety notes, VIP member warranty notice, and this quick setup guide. Okay, so I will have to go through this, register my product for the warranty, and go ahead. Sorry, here. Finally got the plastic wrappers off. That was a tedious job. Okay, so this kind of looks like one of those ships from Star Wars, right? Anyway, this is the front. If you can see all the different LEDs for the power, then 2.4 gigahertz, the 5 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, then the 6 gigahertz LAN, 10G LAN, and the internet. LED WPS. Then if you look at the back here, you got the point to connect your adapter, then the power button. Then you have the USB 2.0, USB 3.0. You can connect hard drives or printer, I guess, you know. And then these are the 4 2.5 gig network ports, and out of that you can use this one for LAN and WAN. Okay, both, either this 10G you can use for LAN or WAN, or this 2.5G port for LAN or WAN. Okay, then you have a 1 gig LAN port, and then you have a 10 gig LAN port. So this is what it looks like physically, right? And then there's a lot of other software applications built in, so that which makes it a very good router. So comparing this to my current router, just for comparison, okay, let me just get the other one and I'll be right back. Right, so this is the current router that I'm using, the Netgear Nighthawk X10. It's a beautiful, very powerful router, and these are the connections at the back here. Sorry, it's a bit dusty. You've got 6 1 gig ports, and this is the WAN, and then you have a 10 gig LAN SPF. Okay. And in the front, do we have any other connection? No. Here at the side you got 2 USB. Here at the side you got 2 USB 3.0 connections. So yeah, so that's about it, guys. This is a quick unboxing. So I'll be setting up the new ROG router to see how it actually performs. Okay, thanks once again, and you have a wonderful day. Okay, bye for now.